Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast, the place where we make English feel like a conversation with friends. I'm Luana.
And I'm Josimar. Happy to be here. How are you today, Luana?
I'm great. But Josimar, yesterday I was at a coffee shop and I wanted to order what do you call it? The little bread with chocolate inside?
Pain au chocolat or a chocolate croissant?
Exactly. But for 5 seconds, my brain just stopped. I felt so embarrassed standing there in silence.
Don't worry, that happens to everyone, even native speakers. And that is exactly what we are talking about today. Thinking phrases.
Yes, today we'll teach you how to stall for time so you don't have to stay silent when you forget a word. Let's get into it. So, Josimar, let's imagine we are talking about our weekend. I'll start, and I want you to listen for the words I use when I'm trying to remember something.
I'm ready. Tell me about your Saturday.
Well, on Saturday morning, I went to that new park near the river.
Oh, the one with the big fountain?
Yes, it was beautiful. After that, I met my sister for lunch. We ate at a restaurant that serves, how can I put it? It's like Italian food, but very spicy?
Fusion food?
That's it, fusion. The word escaped me for a second. Anyway, the food was great, but then I lost hang on a second, my umbrella.
Oh no, did you find it?
No, I think I left it on the bus. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it was my favorite one.
You used a lot of great phrases there, Luana. You didn't just stop talking, you kept the flow going.
Exactly. If I just stop and stare at you, it feels awkward, right? But if I say, let me think, you know I'm still there, just searching my brain.
It gives the listener a signal. It says, I'm still speaking, don't interrupt me yet.
Let's look closer at those phrases. Josimar, you're the analytical one. What's the most common stall phrase?
Well, for beginners, I love let me see or let me think. It's simple and natural. You can use it for almost anything.
I also used how can I put it? That's a bit more advanced, right?
Yes, we use how can I put it when we know the topic, but we are looking for the best way to explain it. It shows you are trying to be precise.
What about when the word is just gone, like my umbrella example?
You said, hang on a second. This is a great phrasal verb. Hang on means wait. It's very informal and friendly. You could also say, give me a moment.
And cultural tip, in English-speaking countries, making a small sound like or is actually better than total silence. It's called a filler.
Just don't do it too much. Use the phrases we practiced. It makes you sound much more fluent.
Okay, let's recap. Here are 5 key words or phrases from today. 1. Let me see. Used when you need a moment to remember a fact or a name. Example, who was at the party? Let me see. There was Sarah, Mark, and Leo.
2. How can I put it? Used when you are trying to find the right way to explain an idea. Example, the movie was, how can I put it, a bit strange, but very interesting.
3. Hang on a second. An informal way to ask someone to wait. Example, hang on a second. I forgot my keys inside the house.
4. The word escaped me. A funny way to say you forgot a specific word. Example, I know his name, but right now the word has escaped me.
5. I mean, used to clarify or correct yourself. Example, we leave at 6:30. Sorry.
Those are such helpful tools for your English toolbox.
They really are. Your challenge for today is the next time you forget a word in English, don't go silent. Use one of these phrases. Say, let me think, or hang on.
You'll be surprised at how much more relaxed you feel.
Thanks for listening to the Luana English Podcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.